Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing wrap top with Peplum and Ruffle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do share your reviews in the comment section. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'm using 2-meter Georgette fabric. You can use any lightweight and flowy fabric for this top. Firstly, I'll cut the bodies on this plain fabric so that markings are clearly visible. So length of bodies is 14 inch. I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark ½ inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, I'll mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch, shoulder to burst point. I'll extend these points. Now I'll mark round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 2 is 30 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Now I'll draw armhole curves. So with this, marking is complete. Now I'll cut it. I'll add side seam allowance while cutting on the main fabric. Now I'll cut front armhole curve. Now open front bodies. Neck depth is 6.5 inch, adding ½ inch for seam allowance. So I'll mark a point at 7 inch. And from line, mark 0.75 inch upwards. Now extend neckline to this point like this. So this is front bodies. Now I'll cut it. I'm cutting on this line, but I'll leave 0.25 inch of seam allowance while cutting on the main fabric. So this is front bodies. Now I'll cut it on the main fabric. Fold the fabric by half in width, right sides together. Place the pattern. Add seam allowance on both sides. Now I'll cut it. So this is front bodies. Now I'll cut the back bodies. Fold the fabric according to the required width. Place the pattern. Add seam allowance. And now I'll cut it. So I've cut the bodies. Now I'll cut the peplum. To cut the peplum, I need radius, and for that just add ease to your waist measurement and divide it by 6.28. Like in my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. I'll add 2 inch of ease just like I added in the bodies, and 28 plus 2 is 30, and dividing it by 6.28 I'll get around 4.7 inch. I'll take round figure 5 inch. And I have folded the fabric by half in width and then in length. From the top corner, mark the radius 5 inch and repeat the same process till the other end. Now from this point, I'll mark the peplum length, that is 9 inch for my measurement, adding half inch for seam allowance. Measure the same from the top and mark it till the other end. Adding 0.25 inch of seam allowance on the waist, and now I'll cut it. So this is the peplum for my top. Now I'll cut the ruffle. Now to cut the ruffle, we need length of ruffle. So I'll attach ruffle on the neckline till this bottom part. Now keep the measuring tape on the starting point and measure it till the top. This is around 17 inch. I'll take it 18. And I need half of it for this part of neckline. And half of 18 is 9 inch. So 18 plus 9 is 27 inch. Just take 1 or 2 inch extra for safe side. So I'll add 2 inch more. 27 plus 2 is 29, and I'll use 29 to calculate the radius. And that will be ruffle length divided by 6.28. So 29 divided by 6.28 is 4.6 inch. So radius for ruffle is 4.6 inch. So again I have folded the fabric first in length and then in width. Now from the top corner I'll mark the radius. And repeat the same till the other end. And ruffle width is 4 inch. This is optional, you can change it according to your choice. Measure the same from the top and mark the same till the other end. And now I'll cut it. And with this, my top cutting is completed, and I'll share its stitching in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.